Ever felt like your money wasn't quite aligned with your values? Like maybe the institutions holding your hard-earned cash weren't exactly waving the same flag you are? You're not alone. In a world where choices matter, more and more people are seeking financial solutions that resonate with their sense of patriotism and community. This has led to the rise of what's often called Patriot banking. But what exactly is Patriot banking, and more importantly, how do you actually do it online? That's the question we're tackling today. Forget the usual "hey guys, welcome back to the channel." We're diving straight into the heart of a movement that's empowering individuals to bank with purpose. Now, before we get into the how, let's briefly touch upon the what. Patriot banking, at its core, is about choosing financial institutions that prioritize American values, support local communities, and often invest in the nation's growth and security. This can manifest in various ways. Some Patriot banks might focus on lending to small businesses within the U.S., fostering job creation and local economic development. Others might actively support military families or veterans through specialized programs and services. Still others might prioritize transparency and ethical practices, ensuring your money isn't being used in ways that conflict with your principles. It's important to understand that Patriot banking isn't a universally defined term with a single regulatory body. It's more of a philosophy, a conscious decision to align your financial activities with your national pride and values. This means the specific offerings and focus areas of institutions that identify with this ethos can vary. So, you're intrigued. You like the idea of your money working in a way that supports your values. But how do you actually translate this into your online banking habits? The good news is that the process of banking with a patriot-minded institution online isn't drastically different from traditional online banking. The key lies in the research and the initial steps you take to choose the right bank or credit union. Here's a breakdown of how you can navigate the world of Patriot banking online. 1. Research and identification, finding your match. This is arguably the most crucial step. You need to identify financial institutions that align with your specific definition of Patriot banking. Here's what to look for. Mission and values. Scrutinize the bank or credit union's website. Look for their mission statement, their community involvement initiatives, and any explicit statements about their commitment to American values, supporting veterans, or investing in local economies. Read their About Us page carefully. Do they highlight partnerships with organizations that resonate with your values? Do they talk about their commitment to the nation? Community focus. Do they actively support local businesses and initiatives? Do they have a strong presence in American communities? Look for news articles, press releases, or community development programs they highlight. Support for military and veterans. Many Patriot-focused institutions have specific programs, benefits, or partnerships aimed at supporting military personnel, veterans, and their families. Look for dedicated sections on their website or mentions in their community involvement reports. Investment practices. While this might be harder to ascertain directly through their website, some institutions might offer insights into their investment strategies. Do they prioritize investments within the U.S.? Are they transparent about their environmental, social, and governance (ESG) considerations, particularly as they relate to national interests? Transparency and ethical practices. Look for institutions that emphasize transparency in their fees, policies, and overall operations. Ethical conduct is a cornerstone of many value-driven organizations. Online presence and services. Of course, since you're looking to bank online, ensure the institution has a robust and user-friendly online banking platform, mobile app, and the digital services you require: online bill pay, mobile check deposit, etc. Where to look? Online searches. Use specific keywords like Patriot Bank, Veteran-Friendly Bank, Community-Focused Credit Union, or banks that support America in your online searches. Recommendations. Talk to friends, family, or colleagues who share similar values. They might have first-hand experience with institutions they consider patriot-minded. Associations and organizations. Look for organizations that promote American values or support specific communities, like veterans. They might have lists of recommended financial institutions. Local credit unions. Credit unions, by their very nature, are often community-focused and member-owned, which can align with the principles of Patriot banking. Research local credit unions in your area and explore their mission and values. 2. Opening an account online, the standard process with a purpose. Once you've identified a Patriot-minded bank or credit union that meets your needs, the process of opening an account online is generally similar to opening an account with any other financial institution. Here's what you can typically expect. Visit their website. Navigate to the bank or credit union's website. Look for a clear Open an Account or Get Started button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage or under a checking, savings, or membership section. Choose your account type. You'll likely be presented with various account options, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, and potentially investment accounts. Select the type of account that suits your financial goals. Pay attention to any specific accounts designed for veterans or community members, as these might offer additional benefits. Complete the online application. You'll be required to fill out an online application form. This will typically ask for personal information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number or taxpayer identification number, physical address and mailing address, if different, contact information, phone number, email address, employment information. Provide identification. You'll need to verify your identity electronically. This usually involves providing a copy of a valid government-issued photo ID, such as your driver's license or passport. You might be able to upload a scan or photo of your ID through the online application portal. Funding your account. Most online account openings require an initial deposit. You'll typically have several options for funding your new account, such as electronic transfer from an existing bank account. You'll need your routing and account number for the external account. Debit card or credit card, limits may apply. Mailing a physical check. This will likely delay the account opening process. Review and submit. Carefully review all the information you've provided before submitting your application. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid delays or complications. Confirmation and account access. Once your application is processed and approved, you'll receive a confirmation email or notification with your account details and instructions on how to access your online banking portal and mobile app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.